Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Onesixtyfourland. I got a box in today from Tokyo Station, as you see here, and I figured if it's in a box, why not unbox it, right? So these are some pre-orders I had placed, couldn't even tell you when. They finally arrived. I'm actually very excited that they've arrived because one of them I wanted to include in my top 10 for the Lamley group blog post. So let's see what we got. Nicely bubble wrapped Tomicas. The good thing about today's unboxing is that there's no chance for a green machine. Here we go, a little Nissan Laurel HT 2000 SGX. This is a 74 model year there. Put that off to the side. Looks like we got the yellow Ferrari GTO. This is a very cool casting. Unfortunately, you have to apply the mirrors. And if you apply the mirrors, there you go, see? Well, then it doesn't fit back in the box. So that's unfortunate. Nice yellow variant. 288 GTO never came in yellow from the factory that I recall. But here we are. Here's the more appropriate red version. All right, I'm not going to open it up. It's just like the yellow one, but in red. Cool. Skyline R33. This is a four-door GTR, 40th anniversary. It is an all-tech car. There you go. Not bad. This will complement. I have a silver one that was released a couple years ago, so this will complement that nicely. What is that? Huh. All right, here we go. Oh, upside down. I thought it was right side up because the car is actually upside down. There we go. No idea what this says, but you get cool police cars out of it. So here is that Laurel hardtop in a police livery. Pretty cool. It's got the siren on top. And here's another police car. This is the, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's this. With the R33, the all-tech version, but the police version. Got a bicyclist. Got some policemen. Some kind of waterfowl. Oh, and the baby ducks. Okay, very cool. And some cones. So there you go. That's what they do. They help the animals cross the road. The R35 GTR T-Spec in purple. Let's see what this looks like real quick. Oh, it's a deep purple. I can't remember the, is it midnight purple? Oh yeah, well, that's sharp. Oh, cool. So you can, let's put it in front of the camera, that would help. So it's, come on, buddy. So if you can see it, it's got some green to it. And I'm sure if I take it outside, in the sunshine, it'll turn purple. So that's pretty cool. I like the interior too. You can see it there. It's one of the best parts about TLVs are the highly detailed interiors. And they're usually in some very cool contrasting color. I want to apologize in advance for my heavy breathing. I'm working on that. lastly, there's a box that says BMW i4, but I know this is not an i4. Holy cow. Okay. So what did I get? Let's see if I can bend this down for you. Oh, there we go. So I doubled up on my Subaru Imprezas. This is the one I was very much excited for, more so the blue ones in the back. But this generation Impreza is my absolute favorite. When the US got the 2.5 RS in 1998, I was a freshman in high school and hoping that someday I would have it. I've yet to buy one, but there's still time if they're out there. This is where it's at. Rally blue mica, bronze wheels. Awesome. And a wagon. Less exciting wagons are these Corollas. I do like the steel wheels though, and the lack of any trim. Now, I've noticed a lot of the Japanese wagons have this bar across the rear window there. I'm not sure what that is. I'm gonna have to look that up. Here, the Nissan wagons had it too. So I gotta see what that is. And last two are the Honda S800s. One comes with the hardtop here, obviously convertible. And looks like the hardtop has an interchangeable top, and it looks like if the tonneau here, or not the tonneau, that part pops off, maybe I can interchange these hardtops here. Looks like I gotta add the roof rack myself, or not the roof rack, the trunk rack, but very cool. All right, so this was an unboxing from Tokyo Station up in Canada. I don't know why I just said that. I feel like everybody says it that way. Let's see if I can make a nice little display here. Oh, it's 8 minutes long. Well, thanks for watching if you still are. I'm sure you're not, but if you are, thanks. And hopefully I get some green lights in over the next couple days and we'll get back to business as usual. Thanks, everyone.